What's happening, guys? Coach Chris Specht here, and just wanted to share with you a great discovery for Amazon sellers, and that is Fetcher, Fetcher.com. What is Fetcher? Fetcher is the revolutionary product that helps Amazon sellers who are selling a large volume account and do all the accounting necessary. Most of you who are doing your own accounting are using Excel spreadsheets, as I was, and you're keeping track of your different sales volume, sales numbers, and your expenses. Generally, most of you are spending an hour or two every morning putting your sales and tracking your expenses, your PPC, your product costs, etc. I still have a stack of receipts that I have yet to enter into my Excel form because I hate doing it. It's the top thing on my board, and it's been there for, if you go back to my videos, it's been there for like 3 days. It's not a ton of receipts, but because I primarily do private label, but still, when I do retail arbitrage, I have a bunch of receipts that I have to now do through Excel and enter them in. But what Fetcher does is it saves you all of that time and gives it all back to you. And So basically how this product works, and here's a couple deals for you. One, obviously everyone knows I am Jungle Scout, Amazon Jungle Scout Product Research. That's my page on Facebook. And so all this information I share obviously is extremely popular. And so when people hear about a product that I talk about, they know that I'm not BSing at all. This is definitely a product that is of value. I don't talk about anything that's not of value if I didn't believe in it. I subscribed, and as you can see, this is the home page. Literally, when you register for a product, I just watched an hour webinar with Greg Mercer, who's the founder of Jungle Scout. And obviously Fetcher is a product of Jungle Scout, and it's launched by this gentleman right here, and his name is drawing a blank right now. He's right at the bottom of this page. He's got a unique, it's like Shane Swinser. Where is he? About Us. But I watched a video with Greg and with Shane Steinmetz talk about the product and all the benefits, features, and benefits of the product. Eliminating the need to do Excel, eliminating the time consumption that doing all of your paperwork manually imposes on you. And capturing it doesn't miss a beat. It captures everything. It captures your refunds. It captures your PPC. It captures everything. I took a bunch of webinar notes today on the product, and it was so exciting I jumped on it right away. The reason I jumped on it right away, and why you guys should jump on it right away as well, is the first month is free. It's not an expensive product. It's $20 for the product, but we'll go to pricing here. See, a startup business, which is essentially everybody. I mean, if you're doing more than 2,500 orders per month, then sure, you can afford to be over in the business part of this product, where you're doing up to 5,000 orders a month, and we will all get there. But my first product is sitting at 1,200 orders a month. I fall here. That's $7,000 profit for that one product. I fall here, and most people do. So for $20 a month, it's an amazing deal. So the first month is absolutely free. The second month is 50% off. So I'll put a link in the description below. In order to get the deal, to get your second month for 50% off, you'll need to use the link in the description that I'll give to you, and that will save you $10 off your second month, and it'll give you your first month for free. 7 days a week support, one-on-one onboarding, world-class privacy and security, syncs to your account. It's super easy to sync it, like super easy to sync it, and then it literally will send you a text message once it's calculated how long it'll take to get your data, and then from there it'll give you all your sales and profits, your expenses, your refunds, your product breakdown, all the information that you require, and you can print it out in your Excel files, your CSV files. Give it to your accountant. Its tracking capability is unmatched, and it's quite the product. Now, a couple things I would recommend. One, go to ℂ𝕙𝕣𝕚𝕚.com or click the link in the description. It'll take you to ℂ𝕙𝕣𝕚.com, and by clicking that link, your computer will register that you're going to get the 50% discount and the free month. It'll look like this. You're here. You can check out the pricing, check out about us, but jump into the resources. They got a free PPC guide that is 54 pages long. I read through this as well this morning, and it takes optimizing your PPC to the next level. There's some tricks, tips, and recommendations in there that I didn't even hear about, that I'm going to use, that I just feel it'll grow my business by 20%, just by applying these techniques. And they got some other cool ebooks on here as well. They got a blog. This software is really the only software in the market that does what Amazon sellers need, especially if you're a private label. This is the software for you. It's essential for running your Amazon business, guys. So jump on there. You don't even have to put a credit card in if you want to try it for a month. You can literally just put in your name, your details, and it'll set you up right away. Here, let me just jump in and show you that as well. Here, give me a sec. We're at pricing. Jump to the top. Pricing. Okay, sign up. So it takes me to the sign up page, and I'm already in there. I don't want to be in there. I want to jump out. I want to show you guys this sign up page. That's okay. You'll see what I mean. When you get in there, it'll slash $39.99 out, put $19.99. It'll slash $19.99 out, put $9.99. So you can try it for the first month. For the second month, you can get it for $10. Break that between the 2 months. That's $5. That's less than 20 cents a day to do what would cost you. I mean, if you're making $50 an hour, or if you're making $20 an hour, go make $20 an hour and let the software do for you what you don't need to do for it, if that makes any sense. Anyways, guys, check it out. The link's in the description below. It's an amazing product, and it will revolutionize and save you stress, a lot of peace of mind out of this product. Coach Respect. Make sure you check out some of the other videos. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and definitely check out some of my new videos, whichever way they are. Peace.